this episode, we are going to walk through Excalibur. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps out the channel, and we can do plenty more videos like this. October 1st, we are going to launch Life Crusher Apparel. Consider getting some of that merch and some of that clothing company. But let's head into this massive casino. Over 4,000 rooms, 70 acres. It was actually the 7th largest hotel casino in Las Vegas just a little while back. But you head up into this corridor. It's kind of massive just to get inside the actual place. In front of you, you're going to see Sword in the Stone Bar. You're going to have your frozen margaritas. I think gelato ice cream on the left. On the right side is going to be the market. Little gift shop, sells beers, clothes. I actually got some memorabilia in there and it was cheap. Thunder Down Under right here, as you guys know, that show. But yeah, check it out. They have Golden Knight stuff. They got drinks, all kinds of stuff. We're going to go ahead and head over here. To the left right here is going to be the Oxygen Bar. Definitely check out the Oxygen Bar. Hangover Cure. As we head down these stairs right here, obviously right there you see a sanitized station. Then straight ahead you're going to see Dick's Last Resort Restaurant. I have not tried the place. To the right you're going to see all the merch, the shirts, hats, and everything like that. I've not tried that place. I actually seen on Facebook someone gave it a bad review. I did see the picture. It said jumbo shrimp and they did look very small. I don't know, maybe that was one item. It was kind of pricey. I know that they were saying it was like $20 some for a couple shrimp and some fries and stuff like that. So maybe I'll check it out one time for me and Mom's review channel. If you guys aren't subscribed to Sin City Food Reviews, definitely consider giving that a subscribe. But as you walk over here, you're going to see all the slot machines to the left. This Dick's place is massive, guys. It keeps going and going and going. A huge sign to the right. To the left up here, obviously more slot machines. And we're going to keep heading down this corridor right here. This is definitely one of my favorite casinos. Excalibur has the big castle and everything like that. We didn't really get in trouble for filming. As to the right there was Baja Fresh, Mexican Grill, more slot machines over here. We're going to keep heading down. Massive amounts of gaming area too, so that's really cool. Give you an opportunity to try your favorite slots. Dance and Drums is going to be on the right side right here. Really cool game. And then as you guys know, to the left is a Buffalo game, my favorite game. And we're going to head up. There's lots of signs everywhere to lead you in the right direction of where you need to be. So that's always a good thing when you head into a casino, because I always seem to get lost in casinos. Doesn't matter how many times I've been there or not. Up straight forward is going to be your table games. Those are deserted right now. And then more slot machines up here. As you look around, it's massive. It goes all the way deep inside the casino of slot machines. But we're going to keep moving along and we're going to head over here. Up to the right is another Buffalo machine. The older ones, the ones I do enjoy playing. I do enjoy playing all of them, but those are the ones I seem to have the best luck, the older machines. More Dancing Drums. Looks like somebody's winning over there, which is cool. Another Buffalo machine. I don't think I've tried that one. And then more signs, of course. You got the sportsbook coming up. You got the restrooms. Another ATM ticket transport machine. A redemption machine. Straight forward is going to be a Starbucks. And then to the left, obviously, is the Sportsbook Bet MGM. Most of these casinos these days do have Starbucks inside them. So all you coffee lovers, I'll get a Starbucks here and there. Not a huge coffee drinker, but I definitely will get a coffee. Let's head back through here and see what's on this side. Obviously, like I said, the Sportsbook is to the right. It did look closed. I'm not sure if it was just closed for the time being. Obviously, you can make your bets to the right-hand side. We're actually going to circle back this way. I just wanted to bring you guys over there so you can see the sportsbook area. We're going to slide through these slot machine areas. There wasn't a lot of people here. I went earlier in the day just so I can show you guys the experience of Excalibur, and I wasn't impeding on people's gaming experiences. Keep heading through here. We're going to go back to the main floor right here. Looks like a lot of families are going to check in the hotel. To the right side, or to the left side, I mean, is going to be the gaming. We got dice, craps, blackjack, and then more slot machines over here. Another ticket redemption machine is going to be right there. There wasn't a lot of security guards at this casino. I seen a few. They didn't really seem to mind that I was filming, so that's pretty cool. We're going to head back this way. Like I said, table games to the left. We got the lobby bar coming up straight forward right there. We're going to keep rolling right along. Everybody seems to be wearing their masks like mandated from the governor. More table games right here. We're going to head down this corridor right here where there's a lot of table games, the main area. Another sign right here, Tournament of Kings. If you guys haven't checked out that show, Tournament of Kings. I personally have not attended Tournament of Kings, but I hear it's an amazing show. So we're going to go straight back where we started, the box office. So you can see the other side of it, a little screen. You got obviously Thunder Down Under and then the dinner and show. And we're going to head up these stairs right here. Show you guys all the stuff to the right. Hotel lobby is obviously to the right when you first walk in the place. Coming up here to the right is a really cool little gift thing slash like good luck charm slash knickknacks and stuff like that right here. Shout out to Karma Luck. They had some really amazing stuff right there. I actually wanted to get some stuff, but I had a lot more stuff to do, so I was like, I don't want to buy this right now. I wish I would have came back and bought something cool from there. They had necklaces, good luck charms, everything like that. And then obviously right here is going to be your sign. A lot of things are going with digital, like menus and pricing and everything like that. A lot of restaurants are going to that. But I appreciate you guys joining in. Definitely subscribe if you're new. We're back where we started. I appreciate all you guys, and we will see you for the next one later.